Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this magic coffee ice cream cake. Yes, it's magic coffee ice cream cake. You will love this one, believe me. This is one of the cake that is not common. So I'm going to be leaving the measurement of the ingredients at description. So yeah, I'm going to be using some flour, some sugar, eggs, salt, coffee, some butter as well, and milk. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. Check the description for the measurement. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and preheat your oven at 150, and for the butter, melt that butter because you'll be needing cold melted butter. Yes, so go ahead and melt that butter. So while the butter is melting, I'm going to add the sugar into a bowl, and I'm going to go ahead to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Yes, because they have to be creamed in two separate bowls. So separate both and add the egg yolk into the sugar. Then after adding the egg into the sugar, add a pinch of salt, or you can skip the salt part. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of coffee into the mixture, into the sugar and egg yolk. So now I'm going to go ahead to cream them until they are fluffy. Yes, so go ahead and cream them, cream until they are fluffy. Okay, the better creamy they are, the better results you have. Yes guys, so yeah, after creaming them, I'm going to set them aside while I do the same thing with the egg whites, because like I said, they have to be creamed in two separate ways before I will combine them all together. So clean the hand mixer if that is what you're using. For the egg whites, I'm going to be using a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to go ahead to whisk that egg white until it's fluffy like cloud. I will show you the right consistency you'll be looking for. So this is the right consistency, guys. Don't over whisk them to turn like butter. This is the perfect consistency. So don't whisk them too much more than this. So after whisking them, I'm going to set them aside and bring back the egg yolk. Now the butter is cold. Guys, please, you'll be needing cold melted butter, not hot butter. Please, cold melted butter. So go ahead and mix them all up together until they are well combined. Just mix it. It takes a minute to get them combined. Okay, so here the butter is combined very well with the egg yolk. Now I'm going to start adding the flour. Yes, I added 2 tablespoons at first, but guys, it's advised to use a tablespoon at once if you can't get them mixed very well. So while I'm creaming them, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon into it, and that is how I will be adding the flour into the mixture until the flours are all into the mixture. So here I'm done adding all the flour and they are well combined. So I'm going to mix the milk and the coffee together, and I'm going to start adding them batch by batch into the batter. First, I'm going to go in with hand mixer but I'm going to leave it at the middle and use my spatula. But if you have a cake mixer, you shouldn't be worried. Just go ahead and throw all them in and the mixer will do the job for you. So now I'm using the hand whisk to get all the mixture together. Just make sure that they are well mixed, combined. And here, this is the time to add your egg whites. The egg white is the last ingredient to add into the mixture. As you can see, it's like ice cream, but it's not ice cream yet. Okay, so add that egg white batch by batch into the mixture, and if you have cake mixer, it will do a very easy job for you. But if you don't have, use hand whisk to get them done as well. Just make sure that they are well combined, that the white egg white is not left behind. Okay, mix them very well. So the cake pan, grease about 20-inch of cake pan, and put the oven pepper under the cake pan. Grease them with butter, or you can use the spray. Okay, so after greasing your cake pan and putting the oven pepper, go ahead and transfer the mixture into the pan. Okay, yeah, so after transferring the mixture into the pan, send them to the oven. Like I said, preheat your oven earlier. Send them to the oven and allow them to cook at 150 degrees for 80 minutes. Yes, 80 minutes, guys. Don't reduce the heat and don't put the heat on a high. Don't hide or reduce the heat, please. Just leave them at 150 and allow them to cook for 80 minutes. So here is the cake out of the oven after 80 minutes. So I'm going to allow this cake to stay outside until it's completely cool. Yes, so after they cool down, I'm going to add them into the refrigerator and allow them to stay there for minimum 2 hours before I can decorate them or I can cut them, guys. So this is after 2 hours or 3 hours or thereabout. I've used a fresh cream. I whisk the fresh cream with a teaspoon of coffee and a tablespoon of sugar. So yeah, it's very easy to do fresh cream and it's delicious. So just whisk them up and pipe them over, and you enjoy and decorate them with any fruits of your choice. Guys, this cake is must try. Try this cake, guys. You will thank me later. So that is the end of this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.